Good morning, everyone. So, children, in the last video, we have completed the lesson, the choose the correct answers, true or false, and now we will be starting with the third one, that is who am I? I am the first screen that you see after Windows has loaded on your computer, that is desktop. I am the background image that you see on the desktop, that is wallpaper. I am the image that you see when the computer is ideal for a specified time, that is screensaver. I am the group of small pictures on the desktop that represent different program files and folders, that is icons. The last one, I am this particular button on the taskbar, that is the start button. So these are the who am I. Now we will be proceeding to the question answers. Answer the following questions in one sentence. These are very short answers, like either one word or in one sentence we can write them. So the first question is, what is Microsoft Windows? Please write this. Only the question answers will be written in the copy. Remember children, only the question answers will be written in the copy. So the first question is, what is Microsoft Windows? The answer is, Microsoft Windows is a graphical user interface, that is GUI based operating system. Got it everyone? The first answer, Microsoft Windows is a GUI graphical user interface based on operating system. The second one, name the latest version of the Windows. The latest version of Windows is Windows 10. The latest version of Windows is Windows 10. The third one, what does the GUI stands for? GUI stands for graphical user interface. Only 3 question answers are there for the short answers. These are the 3 answers. Please note it down in your copy. In the copy, you have to write only the question answers. I am repeatedly telling you, please children, don't copy any exercise. Only the question answers will be copied in the copy. Now, come to the next page. This was page number 19. Come to the page number 20. First question is given. Answer the following questions. Now these are some detailed type questions. What is an operating system? What is its use? The answer is, the operating system is the most important program installed on a computer. It plays important role between the user and the computer. The second part is, what is the use? It's used to perform basic operations like saving, opening or deleting files. So this is the answer for answer number 1. The fifth part of answer number 1, that is A. Can you see it? Again I am repeating, the operating system is the most important program installed on a computer. It plays important role between the user and the computer. It used to perform basic operations like saving, opening or deleting files. Now the second question is B. What is a desktop? Now come here to this part. What is desktop? When we switch on a computer, it starts loading the operating system. When the loading gets completed, a final picture with many small images appear. That screen is called desktop. Now this is little bit bigger. When we switch on a computer, it starts loading the operating system. When the loading gets completed, a final picture with many icons or small images appear. That screen is called as the desktop. Now, the next one, what is a desktop? The image that appears on the screen when the computer is ideal for specified time is called screensaver. What is that screensaver? Question number C. The image that appears on the screen when the computer is ideal for specified time is called screensaver. The next question is, what is the function of notification area? I repeat the question. What is the function of the notification area? The function of notification area is to notify about things like incoming mails, updates, and network connectivity. What is the network? What is the use of the use or function of notification area? Whenever the emails are coming, it gives you the pop-up, and any update is there or any network connectivity is there. So this is the answer number D. The last answer is, what is the use of start button? The use of start button is to, whenever we want to open any program or any option, we have to click on start button to open it. It is asked, what is a start button? The use of start button is to whenever we want to open any program or any option, we have to click on start button to open it. So for today, this much. In the next class, we will be doing the extra question answers. Till then, please write the question answers today, what we have done of this one, the short answers and the long one, in the copy. In the next video, we will be discussing about the extra question answers of this chapter. Till then, thank you, children.